Hi, this is Cheryl Brigham with Designs by Cheryl B. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me, and this is going to be a video tutorial on how to make a beautiful basket from a plain old water jug. And I took a lot of photos for this. I was going to just do a photo instructional, but I really rather tell you about it. It's so easy to do. If you take your water jug and cut it in half, just cut the top off, then the bottom is going to be your basket. And then what you want to do is you want to cut a strip about an inch wide around just below where the handle of the jug is. And that strip is going to become your handle. Okay, so then pick your material and cut a square that's going to be large enough of a square that when you lay it out, you drape it into the basket and it's going to cover the entire bottom and the inside. And when you have a square that big, put a dot of your hot glue in the center and then attach the square piece of material and start bringing the corners in, and you're going to start gluing them down, and you're going to have to work with the folds as you glue your folds down, and just work your way around all the way around the basket until you get all of the folds glued down. I have some pretties in here. I'm going to take them out so you can see, and it looks really nice once you get all of your folds glued down. Um, you're going to be gluing them on the bottom. Now the bottom's not going to look great, and if you're going to be gifting this or selling it, you might want to consider just cutting out a circle of the material and covering up that on the bottom, which I have done. This one I just left plain because I'm keeping it. So anyway, once you've got that done, then you're ready to do your handle. Take your strip and cut another strip of the material that's, well, maybe 2 inches wide and, maybe 15, 20 inches long, and start wrapping. And put a dot of glue and then wrap, and then put another dot of glue, a bit of ways, and wrap some more until you get the entire handle wrapped. And then you're just going to glue your handle right here on the inside, like so. And now you're ready to decorate. And the decorating, of course, is going to depend on your theme and your materials. Um, I chose this floral print, so I happen to have on hand this matching lace in exactly the same green color. So I used it. I just hot glued it all the way around the basket. And then I added my bows in the same color. I had some tulle in that color of green and have this beautiful dusty rose ribbon. So I tied one on each side of the basket and then one on the top. And voila, that's it. The basket is finished. It's so easy. It's so fun to do. And now you can fill it with goodies. I was kind of trying to go for a Christmas theme with mine, even though the colors are really more spring. They're still they're close. So I just filled it with some pretty items, and I'm going to just keep it out on display. So it's so easy. Make your basket out of a water jug. You can also use the small half-gallon jugs if you want to make small baskets. I've done that. They're really fun. They don't take quite as much time. But in any case, either way, they make a wonderful, beautiful basket, and it will hold up for years to come as long as you don't store it in excessive heat or cold because of the glue. Otherwise, they make a beautiful gift or a beautiful display. So have fun making your basket out of a water jug, and thanks for joining me. This is Cheryl B with Designs by Cheryl B.